Hi, this is Perry from Solidtec. Did you know that SolidWorks can open up 52 different file types? And with SolidWorks Premium Scan to 3D add-in, we can add another 15 different file types to this list. This giving us from one software package the ability to import 67 different file types. Let's take a look at some of these file types we can open. Here I've got the open window. It's going to select on the file types. We can open up Solid Edge assemblies, Solid Edge parts, Inventor parts and assemblies, Unigraphics, CATIA, and the list continues onwards. For this demonstration purpose, we're going to be opening up a Parasolid x_b file and convert this to sheet metal. Simply when we select the file and go open, we're greeted with the Import Diagnostics tool. What Import Diagnostics allows us to do is check this imported solid body for any bad surface geometry, bad surface topology, and any adjacent surfaces where the edges are too close to each other. It's going to select No for the time being. The second window that will pop up is for FeatureWorks. FeatureWorks allows us to convert this one single solid into multiple SolidWorks features like extrudes, extruded cuts, and holes. This allowing us to make very quickly and very easily design changes to the model. For this instance, we're going to select Yes. We're then greeted with the FeatureWorks properties. We can select to have the feature type to be a standard SolidWorks feature like an extrude with holes and cuts, or it can be a sheet metal feature with base flanges and hems. For this instance, we're going to use a standard feature first and then convert it using the SolidWorks sheet metal convert to sheet metal options. Specifying next, and SolidWorks is going to recognize this solid with all these features, placing extrudes and holes and cuts where it needs to be. Once that has been done, we could go through and review all the recognized features and make any changes to them if necessary. Hitting the green tick, SolidWorks is generating all these features in the left-hand side feature tree. As you can see here, it's placed the cuts and extrudes, and also scrolling down, we can see it's been using the hole wizard tool to create and place all these holes. We might want to make a design change on this M64 clearance hole. We can easily do this after running the feature recognition option on this x_b Parasolid. We can right click on this and change this from an M64 clearance hole, which is quite large, to something smaller like an M25. Once we've made the change, we can see that the graphics view simply updates accordingly. Now this imported and modified Parasolid may be required for manufacture, and manufacturer would like this to be flattened out. Now to do this, we can simply use the Convert to Sheet Metal feature inside of SolidWorks. Simply clicking on this, we need to specify a top face, or a fixed face. Select this top piece here. Once we've done this, we've got the options to specify the sheet metal thickness. This might be something that the sheet metal workshop might have in stock, or manufacturer would have in stock. For this instance, we're going to specify 2. Got other options here to keep the body, so this is the imported Parasolid. We're going to uncheck this option here. We can then specify multiple other options for the default bend radius and so forth. We're then going to collect all the bends here, as you can see highlighted in pink. And going down the list, you can see all the other options that we can specify here as well. Selecting OK, we're then able to flatten this out with the hit of a button here on the sheet metal tab. And as you can see there, zooming out, we have a flattened image of an imported x_b Parasolid that's been modified with an M64 hole to an M25 hole. This has been a SolidWorks Tech Tip by Perry from Solidtec. Thank you.